So we just popped back to the bungalow this evening. The light's a bit poor at the moment to see we've got a couple of builders in today and they're back tomorrow, I think. Hopefully finish off tomorrow. And they start removing the chimney breast. I've taken all the cupboard off, if you can see behind me. This is the chimney that I was talking about previously, right in the middle. So we're getting the boiler moved eventually, which is next door, but this has got to come out really. This is the kitchen, so opening it right up. So this is a bit of a problem. So they've taken upstairs, I'll go up in the loft in a minute, they've taken upstairs, the chimney upstairs through to the roof out at the moment. And then that's gone up in the loft. And the next job tomorrow is to remove this, get all this brickwork out of the way, hopefully support the ceiling. I'll take the camera up in the loft in a minute and show you what you got. I think they've removed the bath. While we've got the skip here, they've done us a favour and took the bath out, so all this is coming out. Once that chimney breast's gone, the chimney's gone in the middle, there's all supported, we can crack on and do some work ourselves, I think. Start petitioning walls and some easier bits and pieces. We don't really want to tackle something like this ourselves. Something like this, a major operation, you're better off leaving it in the hands of a capable builder. So I think they took the bath out. While we've got the skip out the front, I think they've done us a favour and removed the bath. Yeah. So the bath's gone. So they took the bath out and put it in the skip, which is handy. Yeah, so I've done us a favour while the skip was in the front. They took the bath out and they've put the bath in the skip and filled the skip up with bricks as well. So there's a big job. It might run on for another day or two, I reckon. They said 2 days, but I can't see it all being finished tomorrow, but you never know. They got their acros on site already, so they're ready to go, I think. I'll take the camera up to the loft in a minute. My son's like having a little nose, but I'll pop up there in a minute and have a little look. Alright, we've popped up the loft and have a little look. See what's gone up here. We've got our work light on. How to make the best. Oh, there's a switch. So there's the old chimney flues there taken out. That's what the builders have done today. Oh. God. Oh. Right. So there's the old flues been taken out. And there's a hole in the roof under there. I've got to get under. Oh, I can't get under there. Can I? I suppose I can. For the footage. It's black up here. How did Joe get over here? Oh well, I'm not getting over there. Basically there's a couple of holes there. See if I can get the camera over there. 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 And there's where the chimney's been taken out. And over there, there's an old tank there's got to come away. There's an old tank there's got to come away, and there's a concrete slab that's got to be removed. That concrete there's got to be removed, which is a pain in the back. For some reason they poured a concrete slab there. No idea why. I don't know why. That's got to come out. And there's the opening there for the chimney, so that's got to be all felted and battened out. We'll come back tomorrow. That's a bit of a nightmare up here. We'll come back tomorrow, have a little look. Rather them than me to do this job, to be fair. Some jobs are too big to do yourself. You need to sub it out to people that know what they're doing. Right, I'll pop back in the morning or tomorrow afternoon. We'll see how they're getting on. Right, here we have where the chimney's been removed. And there, well, actually it's there, the chimney's been removed. I don't know what else got tiles missing. Oh, it hasn't, it's got felt taken out. Ah, that's where the chimney's been removed, sorry. There's just felt missing there. Oh, I see, I need to put the timber across there. Fucking hell, look at this. Alright, and then this concrete slab's got to be taken out there. Alright, that's it there. So we've got a roof coming in tomorrow to do that. So a quick progress report after we popped in here last night. The builders have finished their job as much as they could do. the other night, and they finished off on Friday a couple of bits and pieces. So if I spin the camera around, I'll show you what we've got. We've got one more wall to come out at the moment, but I can't do that until we get the gas boiler moved. We've got prices for that already. Let me spin the camera around. So there you go. Massive improvement. So this is where the fireplace was. This wall here, none of this is supporting anything, so this wall here is coming out. But this can't come out yet until we get the boiler moved. We've got a price already for the plumber to move the boiler into the loft. So I think we're going to go ahead with that. This has obviously got to be, nothing's sitting on the wall. Luckily this is a supporting wall here. This is coming out, this is not supporting anything. There's nothing on top of this at all. The builders have confirmed that. But yeah, it's looking good. There's the flue there for the boiler. But I think we're going to have the boiler moved into the loft. So, looking good. And this is where the existing fireplace was. There was a massive concrete slab on top. I think I showed that in the last video. That's gone now. I won't take the camera up to the loft. So it's all clear. So yeah, they've done a good job. Couple of days work, all clear. As I say, part of the price, they're going to come back when they get a chance when the boiler's moved to move this final wall. That'll be gone then. And then I'll show you what we're going to do there. As I said before, we're having a stud partition wall here, and a door here, front door here, stud partition wall here, running along here. This wall will be gone, and the stud partition wall, this tape is pretty much along there, straight through there. This cupboard will be gone then. There'll be a door there into this bedroom. There'll be a door then into this bedroom. This boiler will be gone. There'll be a door through here into this bedroom. This doorway will be blocked up. And then there'll be a door here into this bedroom. And then this room, as I said, we cleared this room out a bit earlier today, and then we have steel beam across the top there, out into the extension. This is another, this will be the kitchen, dining area, lounge area, etc. And this will be a small box room. That's been blocked up, I think I mentioned that before. And I think now we've changed that, slight change of plan. We're going to have, in this area here, make this a bit of a smaller box room office. We're going to have a stud, move this window over. We're having a wall here, there's going to be a small utility room in there as well. So far, yeah, really pleased with progress. It's coming on really good. I'll catch you in the next video. Ta-da, goodbye.